Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, we're gonna learn how to go live on TikTok without 1000 followers. So first of all, let's open our TikTok account and go to our profile section and click on the three dash option on the right top corner and go to settings and privacy and scroll down a little bit. You will be getting an option as report a problem. Tap on it. Now scroll down a little bit. You will see a live option. Click on the live option. Now you will be seeing many options as hosting live, viewing live. So we just need to tap on the how to start a live option. And you can see that there is an article. You can read over it or you can just directly follow my instruction. Click on the no option. Now as you can see, you will get a feedback comment box. So you can just write down your query that it's very urgent for me, it's very needful for me. And you can also paste some screenshot and videos and just tap on the submit button. So that's all for today folks. So if you like this video, leave a like, comment, share and subscribe for more.